Hello, students, and welcome to Tower to Table to Tummy. Right here I have tomatoes, spinach, mint, and strawberries, and today we're gonna hand this off to Mr. Chef Jesse and make the incredible Bronx Machine Superfood Strawberry Salad. Say that 10 times fast. Bronx Machine Strawberry Superfood Salad. Bronx Machine Strawberry Superfood Salad. Wow, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plates today. That means this lesson will focus on 7s. I see onions. I see tomatoes. I see strawberries. I see Feta cheese. And remember, students, we love students who crumble the cheese in class, not cut the cheese in class. And I see some avocado. I'm gonna hand him off some spinach. And look, our mint is flowering. How cool is that? I'm a proud mint papa. So let's get going and see what the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse will do. Grab your strawberries. You can pull the stem right off. And I see Mr. Chef Jesse always using that bear claw. Cut, 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 cut. I like to eat the stem. Ritz sourcing nutrition. Why, thank you. A bulk of this produce can be grown in your home, in your backyard, or right here in your classroom using our amazing tower gardens. Meanwhile, let's see what Mr. Chef Jesse's up to. Oh boy, he's grabbing more of our beautiful little tomatoes. I love tomatoes. They're like you, students. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and each one is more delicious and inspiring than the next. We simply cut the tomato right down the middle, making sure our fingers are nowhere near the knife. Snip, 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 snip. Look at that. Wow, we've got a whole plate of tomatoes. I never knew you could mix strawberries with tomatoes. It's my friend the avocado. We're gonna pop that tip right out of the middle. That's some form of cutlery skillmanship. And we're never gonna poke the knife through the avocado. We grab from the outside and we slice through, making level slices, never putting our fingers near the knife. Then we go the other way. Look at how we do that. I can't wait to see how that's gonna come out in beautiful level chunks. And we simply take a spoon and scoop it right out. Look at that. No waste, no mess, no green avocado stuck under your fingers. And all of it's going right on the plate and ultimately to our belly where we need it most. Look at that beautiful avocado. Now, we're gonna take some fresh spinach. Simply lay it out on the plate. And then we're going to gather up our mint. Now, students, if you don't like mint, use 2 plates of spinach. If you don't like spinach, use 2 plates of mint. If you don't like mint or spinach, use arugula. Heck, you can do what you like as long as it tastes good and it's good for you. But wow, look at Mr. Chef Jesse's hands just rip those leaves right off the stem. This is gonna be magnificently minty. It smells so good in here. It's intoxicating, students. I can't wait to try this. We've got a whole plate of mint. I see we've got some pre-cut onions right there on the side. That's gonna add a little bit of bite. Now, students, if you don't like cutting onions, perhaps you can get someone at home to help you. We're gonna get one big bowl and wonder what's coming next. First thing, in the spinach. Look at that. Then we dump in the mint. Look at that. That's pretty easy. On top of the green, we're gonna add purple. This is like the big purple monster meets the big green machine. I'm kind of loving that. What comes next? Ooh, we're gonna add in the tomatoes. And then, of course, something to sweeten it all up. Look at those diced strawberries. Wow, just look at that color. Now we're gonna sprinkle some avocado right across the top. And there's one last ingredient, and that is our Feta cheese. So, Mr. Chef Jesse, let's do some crumbling. Crumble, 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 crumble. Crumble, 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 crumble. Oh my, look at how those little bits of cheese add color and variety to the salad. Who doesn't love to crumble cheese? Now we're simply going to gently mix this salad, and check it out, students! We've got the green Bronx Machine Superfood Strawberry Salad! Delicioso! This is great as a main course, a side dish, a great after-school snack. Wow! And to think that we can grow so much of this fresh produce right here in our classroom using Tower Garden. I can't wait for next week's episode. Thanks for joining me today. See you soon. Si se puede.